Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today, well, you guys need to stop calling all of your clear coat lacquer. So very high on the list of frequently asked questions on this channel are things kind of along the lines of how long do I need to wait before I sand my lacquer, or how long do I need to let my paint dry before I apply my lacquer, or how many coats of lacquer do I need? And frankly, when people ask me that, there's probably about a 40% chance that they actually mean lacquer. So this tip is very quick and it's mostly a clarification issue. Lacquer is a specific type of paint. It comes in colors. There are lacquer-based primers. There are lacquer-based clear coats. Lacquer does not mean clear coat. And I guess even more importantly, just because it's clear and it goes over top of other paint, does not make it a lacquer. There are a wide variety of clear coats out there, everything from water-based acrylics all the way to catalyzed polyurethanes, polyester, enamel, and lacquer. And they've got a lot of different properties. And lacquers, besides the fact that they're not always clear, also behave in a very specific way. So the answers to those questions that I mentioned earlier would be completely different for lacquer than they would for example, a catalyzed polyurethane clear coat. Sorry about the voice, by the way. I tried cardio and my lungs just haven't been the same since. Won't be making that mistake again anytime soon. So I hope that clears things up a little bit as opposed to just causing more confusion. The bottom line is lacquer does not mean the same thing as clear coat, and if you start asking about one when you mean the other, there's a good chance you're gonna get the wrong answer. So try to make sure you know what you're actually painting with before you start deciding what you're gonna do with that paint. As always guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Have a good one.